I want to show you how easy it is to make a website for an electrician using Simple. Simple is a wonderful website builder that is made for the non-technical crowd, so you don't have to have any technical or design know-how at all. Best of all, everything you could possibly need for your website is included, including all of the themes and designs, web hosting, custom domain names, website analytics, fully responsive sites, mobile editing, backups and version history, automatic updates, and contact forms. And you can build all of this completely for free and test everything out. And when you're ready to publish, all of this just costs $10 a month. It is the cheapest website builder you can find. So let me show you how we can create the site for an electrician in 30 minutes or less. All you need to do is sign up and create your account. Once you're inside of Simple, you'll see this create a new site screen, and you can click on the drop down to select one of these themes. Now you can turn any of these themes into a site for an electrician or anything else, but there is an electrician specific demo. And we can preview this right here. And this is just a starting point, and you'll see how easy it is to change all of this. But this has some great copy and text and images to start with. It also has all of the sections that an electrician needs, including services, an about section, a location, testimonials, and photos, and more. So let's go ahead and click Start with this design. I'll just type in the name of my site here, and then a short description, and then click Create Site. In just a few seconds, this site will load up with all of the demo content. Now, all you have to do is customize it. Just click Edit Header section, and you'll be able to edit this part of your website. You can change the text here. You can change the description. And then you can replace this image. By clicking Replace, you can choose to upload an image from your computer, or you can choose a stock photo. We provide all of the royalty-free stock photos for you as well. So you can just search a keyword and then find a photo that you like and click on Use Photo. You can add a button here or a contact form. Just by opening these toggles, you'll see all of the options. You can also add an external link if you have some booking service that you'd like to use. And you can add an icon to the button by searching through thousands of icons that we have available for you to use. When you're done with that section, just hit Save Changes. Same thing goes for the Edit Features section. You can click on any of these. You can add an image or an icon or nothing at all. Change your text. Add as many features or services as you'd like and save changes. There are also other page sections that you can add. These are all of the page sections that are available and others that you haven't added yet. If you can't find a page section that you need, just click on this and let us know and we'll create it for you. You can also rearrange these page sections. So if you want to put the testimonials up higher, you can do that. And you can edit the page sections from here as well. So you can edit location section and it will automatically scroll to that section and open up this modal so that you can edit the locations. Just by pasting your address, it'll automatically pull in a Google map of your location. Now comes the fun part. You can totally change the look of this site. By going to Design, you can select different color palettes, and these are all perfectly balanced to change the color of the text and all of the other elements to match it. So you don't have to worry about conflicting colors, and you can go from light design to dark design in just a click. You can also change the accent color. The coolest part is that you can change up the style of all of these selections. So right here from themes, I can choose a completely different website theme. We have 3 amazing base themes to choose from. Then we can even restyle these sections that have different layouts. Our magic restyle button will show you those different layouts. Each section offers a few for you to choose from. You can find your domain name settings here inside of the Settings tab, and you can choose any free domain name by searching for it here. You can also use a domain name that you already own just by connecting it here and pointing your domain service to our site, or you can purchase one from us to connect to your site. There are also analytics built in for every platform so that you can connect your favorite analytics platform, and you can set all of your SEO information. Once you're done, just hit subscribe to publish, and you'll be able to unlock absolutely everything, including hosting all of these themes, email capture and contact forms, and so much more for just $10 a month. And you can cancel at any time. So that's how easy it is to make, edit, and customize a website for an electrician. Give it a try and let us know what you think.